We're filming.
Go right.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Saharan Accidentals off-road driver training. Compliments of the British Army. Whoa! Ooh. Apologies if the camera might be a bit wobbly.
Oh no.
Gun it! Give it some beans! Ah!
That was muddy as.
You have to be ready before you go into those.
Just go down here and then go around and then.
Always make sure you're in the right gear before you drive in.
That looks like trouble.
You know the bit about not using high revs? Nice.
Got to look out for these motorcycles.
So what's the day, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, shit.
Got the steering wheel.
Check out the inclinometer. Does it like it? Not very much. Oh, it really doesn't like that. Makes it angry.
How far can we go?
That is...
You don't want to be testing that.
Well, it's
We would not get up there, that's for sure.
there's only one way to find out, mate.
Oh my...
Spin it round and line
Yeah.
up head on with it.
It's a Marshall.
No, just keep on.
Oh.
Penis. Probably will kick us off now. Because you fucking stalled it twice. Spot the goon driving. Alex, by the way, not Stuart. Oh, win. Ah! Get some.
That was.
Oh, this seatbelt does tighten.
We need to get off here, or they're going to throw us off.
Who?
And I'll
Hide.
be shit.
Stay down. Stay down.
Where are you looking?
He just went round in a white rover over there. He'll be going round throwing people off the island, which is us.
Get in the bushes. In the bushes.
We just need to get back on the main road and then get away from it.
In the bushes. They'll never see.
Just keep going straight up here. That's in there.
Where? Over there. Ah,
Going
he's
away from
gone.
us.
He doesn't care.
At the bottom of it, take one on the right floor, first gear, take your foot off the clutch, and don't touch the clutch with the brakes, just let the engine take
Or the
it out.
accelerator.
The accelerator.
That really works.
Still goes quite fast now. Is there any point you cut in and actually brake?
Yeah, before you hit the car in front.
Before. Oh shit, this is gonna hurt. Oh!
Where are we going now?
Go
Glad
right.
to see how some guard works.
Half there.
Oh, this bit's pussy.
Back towards my car.
Shit. It's not a race, remember, Alex? It's on the Paris Dakar.
See how much.
Ah! 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 This is not funny. You peanut.
Go left.
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 Oh, didn't even indicate. Fit the start.
Oh, that was good. We took that at speed.
Come on, Al. We need to find another big water thing. Oh! Oh, my seatbelt's now crushing me. That could just be the steam coming off the engine.
You want to move, yeah.
Do you want to stop and have a look?
Stop now.
It's better to stop it and have a look, isn't it?
Yeah.